Assalamu alaikum and welcome. I hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how to set up for Flutter and Android Studio for emulator. So let's get started. So first of all I close this emulator and also VS Studio. So the thing we have to download is, first thing is Flutter SDK. So you simply go to any browser you can open and search for Flutter SDK download for Windows. Just write this and press enter. So I open the first site and select it for Android, and then you have to scroll down and click like download and install. After this you have to install this file. Just you have to click and file, yes, downloading start. After that you have to open the download folder in your PC, and here you can show the downloading file. It is almost about 2.74 GB. So unzip, extract this folder. It will download in a zipped folder, so you have to extract it, and then after extracting this type of folder you can see, and open this, open Flutter, and after this you have to open bin folder, and in bin folder click the path. So first of all I have to give path in a system variable, so edit the system environmental variables. Open this, and here you can see path. Open path section. So click for new and add the path you have copied. After this press OK. I already assigned the path, so I am not again assigning. So cancel, you have to OK and apply after this. Then you have to install VS Studio if you do not have VS. So now we install VS Studio and download. So you can simply download it for Windows. Click on this and download, and after that you have to run the setup, that download for VS Code. After you have to run that, and it will just you have to click next, and it will download. So now I have VS Code. I open the VS Code. So the extension you have to download must be Dart, Flutter. These two are important, so download these two extension. After that you have to install Android Studio for emulator. So now you have to install Android Emulator, so just you have to click Android Studio and download Android Studio. After installing, you can download the setup of Android Studio, and then click on the run the setup and install Android Studio in your PC. After this you can simply download from here. That's it. Now again going into a download folder, and here we can see the download Android Studio. You have to simply click on the setup you have installed for Android Studio. Open this and click on and install with default settings. Do not change any of setting. So after this you open the Android Studio, and here you have to go virtual device manager, and there is a default emulator which cannot run on, so you have to go there and choose a pixel for it. Click on next, and after this you have to press finish. It will download a 1.7 GB almost system images, and after this it has added in this device manager. So simply you have to click on this and it will start getting opening like this. So in VS Code, you have to click on View Command Palette and search for Flutter new project. After this, you can create simple project. Select any, make any folder or select, and then you can make a new project. I already made. So now we have to we are going to run this application in Android Emulator. Make sure that these Android SDK tools are updated and installed. So first, this you have to install this. It is by default downloaded. So you have to make sure that these things are installed on your Android Studio. After this, if not, you have to simply click on this, press OK. It will automatically install. So now you have to run this on Android. So I have successfully run on the emulator. So this is a video of setting our Flutter and Android Studio for Flutter, and here we run our first application. I hope this will help you. Please share, like, and subscribe my video. And so that's it. Meet you next video. Take care. Peace.